everyone, I'm Zena. I'm the founder and master tea blender at clubmagichour.com. I'm very excited today to introduce you to Aquamarine Dream. Aquamarine Dream is a adrenal tonic that helps with energy levels as well as sleep. So when our adrenals, which are the little functioning things on top of our kidneys, when they get drained, what happens is we start getting into nervous energy. And the adrenals manage our hormones, they manage our cortisol levels, they manage so much. So when we're running, and we're in fight or flight, or we're drinking a lot of coffee, or we're under a lot of stress, the adrenals get tapped. And when the adrenals are tapped, we can't sleep very well, we can't concentrate very well, and our energy becomes a nervous type of energy. So this is a recipe that will actually, this is a blend, and I'm gonna show you some recipes that will actually calm the adrenal system so that you can get better sleep and focus more on the things that matter most in your life, like love and connection and experiences with, travel. Maybe we'll be traveling again someday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you 3 ways to make the Aquamarine Dream, and then I'm going to read you the health benefits that are backed by science while I do that. So I'm actually gonna be using regular milk today. You can use oat milk, is spectacular. You can also use almond milk, you can use coconut milk, any milk of your choice. But today I'm using regular milk, and I'm going to put a little of that in my milk steamer, okay? This is gonna make some noise. It might be a little distracting, but here. So I'm gonna do that. I also have regular sugar. So normally I'm not a dairy sugar person, but I'm going old school today. And I'm using these really cute raw sugar cubes. These are the kinds they use in Europe, and I just love the way they look. So I'm gonna use those today. And as the milk is foaming, I'm also gonna show you, I'm gonna use a little blue spirulina just to brighten up the blend. So here's how the blend looks, and then I'm gonna add a little blue spirulina. Now, spirulina is also very nurturing for the adrenals and the energy system. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that for looks later. Okay, so what is in this beautiful blend, Aquamarine? Aquamarine is, look how cool the pouches are now. Aren't they beautiful? So it comes in a jar and a pouch, and this is fluffy and gorgeous, and it smells like blueberries and a little bit of pineapple and apple and chamomile, and it's got ashwagandha in it, which is a natural adaptogen that helps your body deal with stress. The tea is gorgeous. So the Gemstone collection Magic Hour teas are all adapted gems. Sort of made that up. But basically they are healing herbs that help us adapt to life, and they are in celebration of Mother Nature's colors. So they tell you to eat the rainbow. We like to sip the rainbow here at Magic Hour. So depending on the pH of your water, your tea will brew a different color blue. And today it looks like we're brewing a little bit more of a purple. But anyway, it really just depends on the water pH. So as this steeps, I'm gonna read you the health benefits. Okay, so it has apple in it, which is really a great prebiotic for digestion. I always say have an apple and a cup of matcha in the morning to really get your digestion going. And it supports, apples support bone health. They're great for cardiovascular health. They're really kind of like eat an apple a day, keeping the doctor away. Absolutely. And so I put a lot of apple in this tea so that you can enjoy the flavor of apple, but also get the trace minerals and all of the benefits of it. Chamomile is also in this blend, and it contains apigenin, which is an antioxidant that may promote sleepiness and reduce insomnia. These are all scientific studies you can find on our site at clubmagichour.com. There's a page called The Science Behind the Magic. So these are all studies from the National Institute of Health. Chamomile is traditionally traditionally used to treat nausea. And it also has an apple-like flavor, and it's a relaxant. So it feels really good for your nervous system. It relieves symptoms of anxiety and depression. Typically in studies that it's shown to reduce anxiety and depression. Ashwagandha is rejuvenating for the mind, body, and soul. It's like my favorite adaptogen. I take it every morning and night. It supports the body's ability to normalize cortisol levels, which are the stress hormone that the adrenal system produces to get us up in the morning, to help us run away from tigers and danger, and help us get shit done. It contains high levels of withanolides, which I can't remember what those do, but they're amazing. Reduces stress, anxiety, can also boost testosterone. And just so you know, girls need testosterone too. We have a natural amount. And in bioidentical hormone replacement, which I do for myself, I take a little testosterone, and what it does is it helps me basically bust through my limits physically. And so it helps me work out, helps increase your muscle mass, it helps decrease your fat levels, and it's just a natural hormone. So with ashwagandha, it actually helps balance and boost the testosterone levels. And it helps boost immune function, studies have shown, as well as increase cognitive functions. So the studies on ashwagandha are fabulous. It's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years. There is skullcap also in this blend, which is also an adaptogen. It supports nervous system. It's a mood tonic. It increases healthy daytime energy and settles the nervous system in the evening. And studies have shown that to be true. It's an old herbal remedy for nervous system. There's also linden, which promotes relaxation, fights inflammation. It's a mild pain reliever, helps aid in sleep, and it's soothing to the digestive tract. There's also passion flower in this blend, which has been thousands of years used as a sleep aid. So this blend is going to fortify your adrenals. It's going to help calm your nervous system, and it's going to take you into a beautiful sleepy time ritual. And I've noticed that when I'm drinking this on a regular basis, I am able to, it doesn't make me pass out the way that Child's Pose does. Like Child's Pose, I'm like, over. But it does help me to have an even, calm energy. And when I sleep a lot deeper, and I'm dreaming a lot more. Oh my God, my dream journal is full of amazing information. So I'm going to go ahead and do an iced version. And I'm gonna make a couple different versions here. So I'm gonna do an iced version and let that cool a little. Beautiful. It's steeping a little light. I normally make it a little stronger. I'm gonna do a blue latte in this cute little blue cup I found at Anthropologie on clearance. It was only $4. That's so cute. So the props after these video shoots, they go to my daughter. My daughter wants this, so. And then this is going to be slightly blue latte. I should steep this a little stronger. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. So in one, we're gonna put a little sugar cube, and we're gonna let that sort of dissolve. And then I'm gonna do honey in the other one. Hold on. Girl, get your props together before I shoot. Okay, so we're gonna do honey in this one. And you'll notice too with these blue teas, whatever you put in them changes the color slightly. So we're gonna put a little honey in that one, yum, yum. And then in the iced one, we're just gonna let it be. Let it be. All right, and let's see. So I have my foamed milk. I'm going to stir this a little. I'm going to, wow, that sure isn't blue anymore. Jeez. Aquamarine, that's no longer blue. Ah, there it goes. Now she's blue again. Okay, put a little foam, make it super pretty. Oh my God, that's so gorgeous. Look at that. That makes you just want to drink it. Oh my God, this is like sleeping on a cloud. We'll call this the Aquamarine Cloud Latte. Okay, and then we're gonna do regular cream in this other one with the honey. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my God. Okay, so now what am I gonna do in here? I'm going to use cocktail glitter. And I'm gonna put a little, Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put a little milk first. How gorge is that? And then I'm gonna put a little cocktail glitter. Fuck. Wouldn't be a magic hour video without a clumsy moment in time. All right, so little cocktail glitter. How cute is that? This is definitely not natural. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of this beautiful, beautiful blue, little blue spirulina, which also helps. Oh my God. Well, there's that. Wow, I wanna like have that right now. And then I don't know what I'm doing with this because it looks a little uneventful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some foam because, you know, dream, foam, laying on a cloud, memory foam, mattresses, whatever relates to sleep. I'm gonna focus on that. And then what I'm gonna do on this one is I'm not gonna do the spirulina. I'm gonna do a little drizzle of honey because I can. And this is Tupelo honey, which is delicious. I'm gonna do a little drizzle of honey. Oh my God, I'm drinking that up. That looks divine. And then I'm going to do a little cocktail glitter on that because I can. Oh, my daughter, I'm making this for her tonight. Okay, so that is Aquamarine 3 Ways. Now you know what it does for you. Now you know that you can have it on ice with a little glitter or however you want. You can have it as a latte with a sugar cube and a little powdered blue spirulina, or you can have it as a dream latte with Tupelo honey and a little sparkle. Wow, which one should I drink, John? I want the purple, like this, right? Doesn't this look good? Okay.
Pose.
This is so good. So the flavor of this blend is like a blueberry cream, pineapple cream pie with apple and herb, and it's spectacular. This is an amazing blend. So this is Aquamarine Dream by Magic Hour. It is part of our new Adaptogem collection of gemstone teas. Here's to your health.